Hi. Whenever you hear the word audit in a tax or accounting sense, you might get a little bit nervous, and possibly for good reason, particularly if things aren't going particularly well. But when I talk about an audit, particularly an internal financial audit, it's critical for your business, and it certainly is nothing you should be concerned about. It should be something that you do on a regular basis. And the reason for it is that it is going to help you identify any concerns, inefficiencies, leaks. It's going to help you make better decisions based on a clean set of numbers. And it's going to enable you to strengthen your cash flow and reduce your compliance risk. So if you ever do have an external audit, you'll be well prepared. And it's also going to build confidence with banks, investors, the ATO, etc. So it ticks a lot of boxes, and it's very important. So having that health check is critical. So when should you conduct one? Well, you probably should, as I said, conduct one on a regular basis, but you might want to consider doing it at least yearly to make sure there's nothing wrong, in inverted commas. If you're changing systems, if you've had some issues with cash flow, GST, payroll, whether you're preparing for finance or investment, or even for sale. So what do you need to review? Well, you need to review your bank account and all your transactions, your payroll, your GST, your superannuation, obviously all of the revenue and expense allocations, loan balances, asset and depreciation schedules. That's very important to make sure you've got the financial accuracy you need in your business. From a cash flow management, you need to review your debtors, your creditors, the processes in terms of how you follow all of that up. The timing of invoices and payments, BAS lodgements, superannuation payments, your working capital and your cash reserves. Do you have enough for your commitments coming up? Making sure you put all of these internal controls in place is going to assist in the way you do financially manage your business and keep you on top of things. Who should do it? Involving your external accountant or advisor is something that you may want to consider, because they're obviously qualified and experienced to help you through that process. But you should also be involved, because it's critical that you understand all of these things and the implications for them. Implications when they don't go so well, and the implications when they do. And you'll see the difference that it makes. You've got to really understand your financials, so you really understand the implications of your business and what it means, not only to your current position, but what it means going forward. So fixing the high risk areas, and again, particularly around that GST and super point of view, because the ATO is pretty hot on compliance at the moment. They're hot on lodgements, they're hot on payments, and they are being rather aggressive with debt collection. They are conducting a lot more audits. And if you've already sorted your affairs and had a thorough financial audit internally, then you've got nothing to worry about. Or if things are found, you can fix them before that there's an external audit. So the payoff is that you're a lot stronger, you're a lot healthier, you've got clearer visibility over your profit and your cash flow. There's fewer surprises at tax time. There's lower ATO risk. there's better funding prospects, and then there's more time spent on running your business, not fixing these problems. You're always going to have challenges running a business, but if you can eliminate many of them by being proactive, then why wouldn't you? It's tough enough doing what you're doing in your business. Clean up the things that can become real problems and major problems when they don't need to be. I hope you found this useful. If you do need some help with an internal financial audit, if you think you could benefit from one, if you think that there are areas that aren't quite working well, then please do reach out. We're here to help. It's exactly what we do. Thanks for listening. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye for now.